At Save More Automotive, we are committed to providing the highest level of auto service to every vehicle. With years of experience providing repairs and maintenance on all makes and models, Save More Automotive will work with you to find cost-effective solutions to your car care needs. We are committed to earning the loyalty of our customers, as our highly trained technicians are dedicated to providing you with world-class service on a daily basis. Serving Plano and the surrounding areas, come see the professionals at Save More Automotive and rest easy, knowing you received quality work at a fair price. Call us to schedule your appointment today.